Right. Sajan. Right. Look here. This is Venkatesh Maipati for full stack Java. Anyway, uh, being a day one, many students will have a doubt about the course, basically. Because here, two students are sitting in this room. If you are trying to opt full stack Java program or full stack Java course, and few people are here for only core Java. So let me give a clarity about this batch, why these two people are sitting in this room. And online students, are you clear with my voice and screen? Let me confirm it once. Right. So the course name, we take it as full stack Java. Full stack Java. Sir, what is this full stack Java and full stack Java developer, and what are the modules included in full stack Java? If I take this full stack Java as a course curriculum, what are its advantages? Let me speak on that for 5-10 minutes. Okay, right. So full stack Java developer is a dream job for many people today. Anyway, full stacks are playing a role in the market. Full stack, that may be web full stack or Java full stack or your Python and AI full stack or whatever it may be, the full stacks are playing a role. Full stack Java developer means what, sir? Nothing but all-rounder in the project. Full stack Java developer means all-rounder in the project. So he has hands on front end, back end, and middle end. The total knowledge the full stack Java developer will have. That's a statement first. Sir, if I be a part of full stack Java program, what are the modules included part of this course? I want to know, sir. So whenever I want to write these modules here, first one we are calling it as programming module. We are calling it as a programming module. Programming module. Next one we are calling it as UI module. UI means user interface module. UI module. And we are calling it as a testing module. We are saying testing module we are calling. And fourth one we are saying it as DevSecOps, development security operational tools. Somewhere we call it as development security operational tools. Of course, part of this course you had database module, giving awareness to the student about the database products. So you can call it as a database module is included as an extra. So if it is programming module, this is our backbone actually. Under programming module, what is available means core Java is available because it comes under full stack Java, no? So Java related programming module, that is. So here we had advanced Java is available and Spring is available and web services available. Web services. So everybody can remember bit easily the four names. Under programming module, core Java, advanced Java, Spring, and web services. Extensions are there for it. Web services, microservices included part of your course. Spring, if you say, Spring core is there, Spring MVC is there, Spring data is there, Spring ORM is there, Spring Security is there, Spring JDBC is there, Spring Boot is there. So that all included part of your course curriculum. So Spring major, because full stack Java means Java module important indirectly. So the complete coverage is available under Spring. The Spring related modules are covered. So whenever you want to become a Java developer or full stack Java programmer, LKG, UKG mandatory, that is core and advanced, the basic papers, core and advanced. So our course starts with core, advanced, Spring and web service. This 4 comes under programming module and your backbone. They are backbone to your career. Now with this programming module, user interface module is available to you. Under this, HTML is available, CSS is available, JavaScript is available, and Angular is available. So we train HTML, CSS, JavaScript as a single batch, and Angular is available. We update a your management is going to update you. And under testing module, generally as a code writer, testers are separate in your companies. Everybody knows testing unit is separate in your company. You knows that already. Even then, we must have some hands on that testing related work, what is happening in the company. Being a full stack developer, you must know. Because of this reason, here testing basics will be trained. Give one tool to you. Selenium tool is available to you. Selenium tool is available to you. They'll train Selenium tool to you. So one testing tool training is available, Selenium. Under DevSecOps, here almost 14 tools they'll train it. Part of your project, 14 tools they'll train it. So there are list will be displayed by your current trainer when the project has been started. Development, security, operational tools. Development, security, operational tools, we say. The tools are available to you. What are the real-time market tools available to you part of your project? The total tools will be trained under that sector. Now, if it is a database to you, we train Oracle database to you. Oracle. And when you come to advanced Java, we show MySQL to you. So MySQL database also we train the student. So Oracle will give us a major course to you. When you come to advanced Java, when the development is going in project, we train the student how to interact with MySQL database. As a part of awareness to a student, part of this advanced Java, we train MySQL also to the student. So these are the modules included part of your full stack. So full stack Java developer means having hands-on programming module, UI module, testing module, and what are the tools available in the market related to developer. All tools are included under this section, right? I'll give a slide to you anyway. They'll add one Google Classroom. I'll add the slide. The tools, what are available with it, the complete tools, the slide will be given to you and syllabus will be given. And under database module, they'll give a Oracle database to you. Already they are giving Oracle to you. MySQL will be trained part of advanced. Why means in advanced Java, web application project development will be started. Just provide a awareness to the student how Java application interacts with different databases. For that awareness, we run second database and show to the student for awareness, part of course curriculum. This is a point. Everybody clear about these modules available in full stack? Say yes or no to me once. Yes or no now, right? So you must say that point clearly. Everybody is confused what that syllabus contains. So it contains how many modules now? 4 modules. One is programming module, one is UI module, one is testing module, one is tools module, you can say. What are the tools available in the market? The tool training will be done for us. So other people, they call it as DevOps, development, operational tools, they'll say. We are calling it as development tools, operational tools. Even security must be provided. No, we had add-on tools known as a security tools. That's a concept. Sir, if I opt full stack Java course, sir, what is the duration? The first biggest question mark for us is the duration. I want to know the duration of this course. Many students will ask that question to us, duration. So management is saying 6 months to you. So I am calling it as 5 to 6 months, we say. 5 to 6 months. So almost student must be in position to spend 5 to 6 months of time for full stack Java course. All of it clear? Right. Sir, if I take this course part of Naresh IT or as a career, what are my advantages if I take it? Sir, if I take, what is my advantage there? Generally, full stack Java developer, the meaning is expertised in applications and he more efficiently can use tools and frameworks which are running with Java. That's called full stack Java developer. Complete efficiency he had regarding tools and frameworks which are running on Java base. The complete grip he has because he's called it as full stack Java developer. Basic backbone is programming module only, but with that add-on for him is nothing but he had hands-on testing, he had hands-on UI, he has hands-on tools. Anyway, database is common, everybody knows today. Minimum one database will be known. So this is the major advantage of full stack. Sir, if I take full stack as a course, your role is full stack Java developer. Full stack Java developer. The first advantage is you are an all-rounder in the project. So definitely high demand will be there for you. If you are an all-rounder in the project, demand will be very high for the full stack developers. Sir, if I opt this course part of Naresh IT, is there any advantage extra to me? They call it as NASCOM, one certificate available to you. So always they keep a add your Naresh IT. So this batch is aligned with one NASCOM certification, they'll say. Sir, what is this NASCOM certification? Generally, right. There is one NASCOM certification available to you. National Association of Software and Service Companies. All your software and service companies comes under one association known as NASCOM. This NASCOM is a body organized by Government of India. This body is organized by Government of India. All your major companies are members of this NASCOM. Sir, if I join here, how it is attached there? Your Naresh IT courses are already running under NASCOM. So if you register for full stack Java program through Naresh IT, they upload your names to NASSCOM body. And at the ending, you will get a certificate from NASSCOM. So once you completed this course completion certificate available from NASSCOM. That's the first advantage, you will get it. Naresh IT with NASSCOM co-branded certificate, you'll get it. On that certificate, Government of India logo is available. On that certificate, Government of India logo is available. You can use this certificate within India, outside India, also you can use it. Companies are accepting this certificate. Not only completing full stack Java course, you can take one NASSCOM certificate. That is the advantage. So if you be a full stack developer, you are an all-rounder in the project, you had high demand. That's the first advantage. Second one, if you take a admission into full stack Java course, you had a certificate known as NASSCOM certificate available. After completing a course, directly the certificate will be given to you anyway. And one more certificate available from NASSCOM is skill certificate. For that, student has to write one examination. Who are interested, they can write that examination and take one skill certificate. That is through NASSCOM you are going to take it. That also some fee within 1,000 rupees below the fee will be there. And once you clear that test, Government of India will return back your 50% of amount what you are paying to Naresh IT will be returned back as a complimentary to the student, because nobody is clearing that test. So if you clear and take the certificate of skill, Government of India is going to return back your 50% of fee back as a complimentary. You clear that skill test. Skill test means topmost India, the skill professional you are. The two certificates option is available to you through this course. So you can opt only course. You can take NASSCOM certificate. Who are interested, you can take one skill certificate who are interested. Got it right? Now, sir, if I learn all these modules, I'll forget no, sir. Where to apply where, which one to apply where, how can I know means project is available in this course. The course is providing one complete life cycle of a project. You had your project in this course. Because if you learn programming module, testing module, UI module, DevSecOps, where to apply them, you must get one awareness, no? Because you are entering into the market as a full stack developer. You would have a complete picture on that course, no? For that, they are bringing one project to you. When the Spring and Web Service started, the trainers will take you into project with the course curriculum. They develop one project. They'll give the complete awareness within the SDLC, software development life cycle, complete analysis to deployment, what you're going to do in the market, complete information is available. Means project is available to you. First advantage, you are an all-rounder in the project. You can take one certificate from Government of India, NASSCOM, and the third one, by mixing all these modules, one project is available. Is there any placement scopes? This is a major question for the student. Placement. Yes. Placement assistance is available to you. Sir, what is this placement assistance? Not placement guarantee. Understand? How this placement assistance will work to me? Sir, give explanation. Placement assistance in the meaning, after completing this core Java, advanced Java, and Oracle, these three papers, up to 70 to 80% has been completed. Management will conduct one test to you. Right? If we clear that test, your Naresh IT is having a placement cell. One placement separate organization is available for them. Almost 604 clients are available because they run a batch known as 100% placement. That is the reason. They run 100% placement batch, they are running already. Their confidence is nothing but 604 clients attached with Naresh IT. Moreover, Naresh IT is not engineering college, but even then, placements occur here. The reason, resource is skilled resource. Wherever the skill resource is available, company is ready to pick them. That is happening in the market. So companies are looking into Naresh IT. Will come to me. So these many students are coming here. You will sit here for 1 hour or 1 hour 40 minutes. You'll sit here. After that, you will go. We don't know which student is coming, which student is going on. So whenever the placements has been started, Naresh IT will conduct one test to you through ID card. Once you clear that test, placement team will take your numbers and resumes and they'll place you. That also freely only. Because placement assistant examination clearance is your major step entering into placement. That's called placement assistance. And moreover, we also will show the placements to you. So particular day, particular company is going to come to Naresh IT. Who are having eligibility to apply, you can apply, they'll say. So placement informations are available. Placement assistance is available for this batch. Even placement, if anybody has doubts in their gaps or percentages or any other problem, we had a consultancy. Consulting also means you can speak to us about your career and you can rectify that. A process is available to you. Consulting is available. Understood the statement? Because somebody cannot plan their careers. No, sir, I am shifting from non-IT to IT, sir. After 4 or 5 years gap of wasting my time working, I want to shift myself to this software sector. How can I plan it, sir? Where I should start it, sir? Where I should go, sir? Or where I should fill the gap, sir? This kind of consulting answers we are going to give to you. So these are the highlight points of your course. All of you clear about these all statements? Yes or no now? Right. So everybody will have these doubts because common doubts I'm speaking to you since many batches. And moreover, this is my 142 batch in core Java because I'm not a single batch trainer also. I released almost 140 batches. I released in core. So these are the few questions we expect from the student who are coming to us. Beyond that, any other questions are there? We are going to answer in the last to you. Great. Final thing is, sir, I am into full stack Java course or full stack Java developer program. Any term you can use it. The full stack Java includes 4 or plus 1, 5 modules. They are nothing but programming module, UI module, testing module, development, security, operational tools module, and you have a database module. Under programming module, we are having core Java, advanced Java, Spring, and web services. If anybody asks why, they'll get a doubt. Spring Boot available or not, Spring Security available or not, all are included here. What are needed according to real-time market? Everything is inclusive part of this course. Need not worry because we are sending students to real-time market, not for universities. Definitely, we meet the requirement of real-time market. We never waste your time giving a training on the component which is not available in the market. Definitely, we target one student where you can hit the real-time requirement. We are going to take care about it because here, whatever the Spring related available in the market, the training is available to you. Web services are available. Under UI module, HTML, CSS, JavaScript up to Angular, React, Node.js not available. Only after Angular training available to you. Under testing, you had a Selenium tool training available. Development, security, almost 14 tools available. I'll give a list and slide to you when you attach to this course. To the highlights, almost 6 months you have to attend it. Is the point. Sir, I am not taking full stack Java, sir. I want to take only core Java, sir. Can I take only core Java? Yes, you can take only core Java. Core Java timing is the same. Daily 6 p.m. is your core Java. So the course starts with core Java. Understood now? This programming module timing is 6 p.m. The starting is core Java. So the student who are planning to attend only core Java, you can sit until the core Java completed here. After core Java completed, you can go. No, sir, I want to take core and advanced. You can take it. No restriction. Management will give a permission to take individually. I want to take core advanced only, sir. Because of time or because of some other reasons, I want to take only core and advanced. You can take it. Sir, I want to take core advanced and only Oracle. Yes, you can take it. So the student will have an option of selecting the courses, and we are into core Java. If I am into core Java, sir, how many days it takes, sir? Because you said duration for total course is 6 months, you said. If I say take only core Java, how much time it takes? Among this total programming module, biggest time is given to core Java, basics. So core Java trainer is given 60 sessions of your course. So maximum time is given to me only core Java trainer, because 60 sessions they given to me. So I am going to cover core Java duration. So duration for core Java, I will take 16 working sessions. I will take it. The reason, we pick one student with zero knowledge. Sir, I am from IT background. I am from non-IT background. I don't know any programming language. Today only I came to Amirpet, sir. I don't know anything, sir. From that zero level to, we must pull the student to expertise level. Because web service is waiting, Spring is waiting. Definitely, the basic pillar should be very strong, because they given maximum time to me. Got this point? Why means, if you see, any student is speaking in good English, they will ask, you are from which school? They'll ask it. They will not ask, you are from which engineering college, which degree college, they will not ask. If anybody is writing a good handwriting or good writing skill, again they'll ask school only. You are from which background? The same way, when you are a good code writer, they'll ask, who is your core Java trainer? They'll ask. Because I will play crucial role in your career. It is not for 2 months or 3 months only. It is not one day batting course only. So 30 years you have to survive. It's a 30 years survival, no? Right. It's not a single day survival, sir. It is not a 3 months or 4 months survival. Career. 30 years career. It has to carry me for 30 years until I retire it. It is a career for me. So definitely I will play a crucial role as a core Java trainer. Got this point? So they given how many sessions to me? 60 sessions they given to me. Right. Now I am entering into my session. Can I enter it now? Right. Okay. So daily I'll speak about these introductions for 3 days. Common. The student may understand, may not understand. We repeat it. So any personal questions you had regarding course or career, we speak to you. Our course pattern is every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll be busy with our syllabus. Saturday, we had a review. Review means what has been happened in the 5 days. We recollect it. We re-explain it. We concentrate on the assignment solutions, and any queries and questions available with the student, we speak more about it. Even hope online students are hearing me. The online students has to remember one point. In our course curriculum, every Saturday will be a review class or any assignment solutions classes, or speaking to the students about regarding doubts and so on. That is Saturday. First 5 days will be busy in moving the syllabus, because it is not a single course, no, biggest course it is. Got this point, right? In that process today, being a day one, small information about the course and small information about core Java also. I'll start it. Okay, right. Sir, finally, I am sitting in one language room. This room is language room. Okay, right. So process of learning language. Whenever I want to start one language learning, how I should start, sir? There are 3-step process will be there. There are 3-step process. Today, all can speak English language, but how you learned English language? Sir, when I am 3.5 years kid or 4 years kid, I took one empty slate in my bag with one small slate pencil. I went to one school and one teacher came, written one alphabet A. I don't know, there is one B also waiting in the next day. So next day also I went, sir, one B came, sir. I don't know, one C is also waiting on that day. But without my knowledge, that teacher EAT cat, they started, sir. After a few years, one teacher came, combining that words and saying that rat on the table or rat below the table, she started training. Okay, I learned the sentences. One more teacher came after a few years and said, don't speak like this. Keep in a order. Noun, pronoun, adjective, something she said. At last, she trained me. Today I can speak one good English. I can write it. Today I'm writing one beautiful note, sir, today. So I don't know that A is playing a role today. Observe this point, right? I am also doing the same work. Alphabet training, integration training, grammatical training, construction rules, everything is under my control. I am your language trainer. Like English language teacher, like Telugu language teacher, like Hindi language teacher, I am Java language teacher. That all teachers train you alphabets. This teacher also train you alphabets. That teachers train you grammar. I also will train you grammar. For them, output is sentence. For me, output is program. All of you got this point? So I am also language trainer. Sir, where I should start? Alphabets. What is the first step now? Every language will have alphabets. Every language will have alphabets. I must learn alphabets. That is a rule. Every language will have grammar. I must learn grammar. Every language will have construction rules. Every language will have construction rules. I must learn construction rules. What is the process now? Sir, I must learn alphabets. I must learn grammar. I must learn construction rules. Clear, everyone? Right. Now, who knows grammar in Hindi? You cannot write grammar in English. Yes or no? Na? Louder. Yes or no? If you know grammar in Hindi, you cannot write grammar in English. If you know grammar in English, you cannot write grammar in Hindi. Sir, both are different. Who knows grammar in C language? Tomorrow onwards, forget and come. Because grammar in Java is different. That's one I want to say it. All of you understood this statement, what I made to you. Every language will have its own alphabets. Every language will have its own grammar. Our term is a syntaxes. Every language will have its own construction rules. Sir, I am a C developer also, must start with alphabet in Java. Difference, all of you understand the statement. Who knows C language? Forget. Who don't know C language? Be happy, because separate room here. So I also don't know C language. I also. So what I'm trying to say here is, if anybody sitting in this room feeling that I don't know other languages, need not worry. We are going to start with alphabets. That's a statement. So every language has to start with alphabet. I am also going to start with alphabets available in the Java language. I'm going to start it. So somebody will ask us, sir, I am from non-IT background, sir, any problem? 3 days news you've seen? 13 years girl is a code writer. She's giving a training already. She's giving a training. 500 people she has been trained in coding. 13 years girl, I think. 13 years girl. She given training for 500 people up to now. She's a shortest trainer. Not shortest. What is it? Very ageless, small age trainer. She is getting a doctorate. Means what? Code writing not needed degree, sir. Code writing needed interest, sir. Yes or no? Code writing needs interest, sir. So a school boy is also nowadays writing coding, no? Where comes your degree here then? There is no question here. IT, non-IT. Sir, I am from CSC. CS people also cannot write your code. Because what is your graduation study? By having record and presenting. You are not creating, no? You are our education sector. We cannot say you are. Our education sector, reading and presenting, not creating. Our world is creating. Not reading and presenting, it is a creating. That world is creating world, not presenting world. Sir, I by-hearted matrix multiplication, sir. I by-hearted Fibonacci series, sir. I by-hearted what is it? Reversing a number, sir. Armstrong number, sir. I saw programs nairaita in the market. That all not available in the market now. What is available? Concept you have to carry into the market and apply and create it. What I'm trying to say here, this all statements is nothing but whenever you want to become a code writer, whenever you want to learn one language, we start with alphabets, grammar, construction rules. We are going to train it. Everybody can enter into this room. Only degree people should come. Only non-degree, that is, questions are not there here. Who are interested in code writing, they can sit in our rooms. They can learn from us. They can try. They can apply somewhere. They can learn the codes. So we are programmatical trainers. So the starting is here. Sir, whenever I want to learn one language, I'll start with alphabets. Sir, whether I should know other languages, for that, I'm making a statement. Every language will have its own alphabets, grammar, and construction rules. Construction rules. So every language will have its own alphabets, grammar, and construction rule. So in this room also, we are going to start with alphabets. So finally, I want to select Java language. If I selected Java language as a full stack Java, starting point is core and advanced. Whenever you want to start one Java language, two parts are available to you. One is part 1, we call it as core Java, and part 2, we call it as advanced Java. Core Java and advanced Java. So when the process of giving training on it, we train core and advanced. Sir, if I selected core Java, as a starting point, what I am going to learn from here? From core Java, what I am going to learn it. So in core Java, we are concentrating on, just now I said no, alphabetical training. That is nothing but Java programming components. Java programming components. We call it as Java alphabets, we say. And we had a training on programming, Java programming concepts. So alphabets training available, concepts training available, and part of core Java, object oriented programming features. Object oriented programming features. Why I highlighted this means, sir, whenever I want to learn one language, any language room starts with alphabets. So I can sit in this room directly without taking the support of other languages. That's the statement. So whenever I want to start this Java, I must start with the two parts. One is core part 1 and I must go part 2 as advanced. If I will do what are available in the core Java. So alphabet training, you cannot say alphabets direct term. No, we are using Java programming components training, Java programming concepts training, object oriented programming features training is available from core Java. Sir, if I take Java programming components, what are available under it? We are listing on day 1. What core Java contains. Under this, we had variables training is available. Methods training is available. Here, blocks training is available. Constructors training is available. Constructors. Here, classes training is available. Interfaces training is available. Here, abstract classes. How many alphabets available in the Java language? If anybody asked after completing this session, how many are there now? 7 alphabets available in Java. What are they now? Variables, methods, blocks, constructors, classes, interfaces, abstract classes. The complete training about these alphabets are included under core Java. That's the first statement. Now, under concepts, what are available? If you complete your core Java, we convert the student into object-oriented programmer. So the concept training available to you is object-oriented programming is available. Object-oriented programming. We train the student how to construct your applications in the form of object-oriented programming concept. We train it. Here we had exception handling concept. We had multi-threading concept, or you can say process. Now, here we had, everybody says no, data structures. So here the term is Java collection framework. Java collection framework. We can say structures in Java will be trained under core Java, and we train file storage. So file storage means how your Java program interacts with file storage. And networking in Java, how your Java program interacts with network environment. Up to here, the concept will be trained. So why I'm writing these statements on day 1 to you means core Java. Whenever you want to start core Java, we start with alphabets. So these are the 7 alphabets. If we take English language, 26 alphabets are there. The same way, Java language is having 7 alphabets. Whatever the programs you write, whatever the applications you write, they are all combinations of these 7. Whatever the sentence you write, whatever the notes you write, it is a combination of 26 alphabets. The same way, whatever the program you write, whatever the application you write, it is a combination of these 7. So that 7 are known as Java alphabets. These are available in the core Java because core Java is important. Alphabet training available. Not only alphabet training, some concepts training also available. We convert the student into object-oriented programmer, exception handling process, multi-threading process, data structures in Java, nothing but Java collections framework, file storages, and networking in Java. These are the 6 concepts available from core Java. With this 6 concept, we are going to train. Object-oriented programming features will be trained. That is, class feature will be trained. Object feature will be trained. Abstraction, encapsulation, we train it. Encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. In your graduations, they'll call data hiding, method hiding. The terms are available to you. They comes under abstraction, right? So why I written that statements to you means whenever face of your full stack Java is core Java. That's the entry point. When your entry point is core Java here, you must know what it contains. So I written that statements on the day 1. So tomorrow I'll write about advanced Java, what it contains. Day 2 I'll write. Day 1 I must not extend much. So slowly, the time will be increased. Anyway, slowly. Suddenly we never increase it because student may understand, may not understand. It takes time. New trainer, new environment, new slang, new approaches. The student may understand, may not understand. You have to take care also slowly. And moreover, one more information to you. Whatever I speak, I'll be typing on the screen to you. Whatever I speak, I'll be typing on the screen. Whatever I want to analyze, I'll show in the diagrammatical form. So I'll show one diagram also. So theoretical notes is there. Diagrammatical presentation is there. The concept is shown to you in the programmatical form. So theoretical, pictorial, and programmatical. Whatever I write, the soft copy will come to you after the class. After the class, within 10-15 minutes, whatever I do the work here, within 15 minutes, the notes will be available with you. Sir, how it is available means not now. After demo class completed, or tomorrow they'll give one room to you, Google Classroom. You are going to add in that Google Classroom. You can see my soft copies there, what I'm doing. Why this kind of process mean? Somebody may write fastly, somebody cannot write it. Got it? Somebody may understand my pronunciation, somebody may not understand. If you cannot understand, you can look into the screen. Maybe the spelling is available there. If it is not correct, also correct it and write it. So that is available there. The notes is available. Diagram is available. Program is available. That is the way you are reaching. You are getting my notes. You must know that information also, no? Right. Finally, I'll conclude it in a short period. Right. Okay. See there. First day, I'm taking very less time, giving information. Slowly, I'll increase the level and come. Right. Like this. Overall. So need not worry about completing the courses in what form, how, where is all. For everything, the solution will be there from our side. The course name is Full Stack Java Program or Full Stack Developer Program. You can say Full Stack Java Developer Program. You can say. If it is a Full Stack Java, 5 modules available to you. Programming module, UI module, testing module, development module, and database module. Under programming module, we are going to cover core Java. 6 p.m. is core Java. Got it right? And tomorrow I will give the clarity. Which batches you must start parallelly? Sir, with this core Java, which batch I must attend it? Somebody are clear in that statement. Somebody do not have a clarity. So I'll give the clarity tomorrow. Why tomorrow, sir? You can give today only, no, sir. Means why tomorrow means advanced Java. One small diagram will be drawn to you saying that what is front end, what is backend, what is middle end, what is three-tier architecture available in the market, what full stack developer will do. That idea you will get on day 2. So with that, which course you can start parallelly, I'll give the clarity. In all the classes, day 2 will give the clarity to you what is happening. So today, only giving information. There are 5 modules available to you and the duration. Almost 6 months time it takes to complete that full stack, and advantages available to you. You'll become an all-rounder in the project known as full stack Java developer. If you register this course under Naresh IT, you had a certificate known as NASCOM certificate. You can use that certificate in India, outside India, you can use it because Government of India logo is available to you. That's the informations. And project is available part of this course. Complete project training is available. Placement assistance is available. Placement assistance means management will conduct one test. After completing 80% of the course, they'll conduct one test, technical test only. Core Java questions, advanced Java questions, database questions, not CRT questions, only technical questions. They'll conduct one test and they filter few students and they'll take the students and they'll show the opportunities for you freely also. They will not conduct any amount. I'm speaking very frankly. They will not charge anything. Whatever the payment you paid for this course, that is final. After that, in the placement assistance program, once you clear the test, they freely give an opportunity to you. By that is the advantage. Management will give a repetition. That's the advantage. Frankly, I'm speaking that assistance is available. Beyond that, if anybody is facing a gap problem or transferring their jobs from one sector to another sector, percentages problem, such cases we'll speak to you bit later on. We'll give a counsel to you. So when the subject is there, one opportunity is waiting to you in the market. So concentrate on subject. So there are many ways, many doors are there. Everybody will have their own opportunity in the market. It's an open secret because nobody will stand outside for many years. Directly or indirectly, somewhere they'll have an entry. Maybe immediately or later on, whatever it may be. That counseling points we do to the student as a suggestion or correcting you as a career journey. We can do that work. That's the information to you. And the duration of my course, 6 p.m. core Java daily. Demo class, I'll start by 6:15 daily. Daily, I'll start my class. Demo class 6:15, I'll start it. Regular class, I'll start by 6:05. Understood now? The demo class, I'll start by 6:15 to 1 hour I'll run. 6:15 to 7:15 I'll run for 3 days. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour I'll run it. So that student will get any. Yes, they have to get habituated to my slangs no, slowly. After that, 4th day onwards, we increase the time. 1.5 hours is our batch. So our batch starts by 6:65. Before 6:10, the batch will be started. Understood? This is regular time. How you'll get a notes directly from my side, soft copies will come. My all batches, my soft copies will come. Diagrams, programs, assignment solutions, soft copies, everything you'll get it directly after that class. The information. 6 p.m. is core Java from programming module. So other doubt is, I don't know other language. For you only this statement. When you want to come to this room, Venkatesh sir will be speaking in the English language. You must know English language, not other languages. Understand this point now? So because I will be speaking English language to train Java language, I will not speak C language to train Java language. Understood the statement what I am speaking? Right. You learn all the languages, you know Telugu, Hindi, English, not the same way. You learn all C, C++, Java, Python, all you can learn it. But I will train Java language by speaking in English language. So pre-requirement for my room is English language is pre-required. That also I am not understanding. I'll write and show to you. Understand this point? So the motivational point to a student who don't know anything is every language will have its own alphabet, grammar, and construction rules. If your friend is saying that I know C language, I'll go to Java. You don't know C language, don't come also, don't listen to him. because is grammar also will not work here. Pointers are not available in Java. What you will do here? Understood this point now? Structures not available, unions not available, file IO stream and file not available. Many sectors are not available here. What your friend also can do. So every language will have their own alphabet, grammar, and construction rules. Sir, finally, I'll enter into this Java. What? Core Java first. Then you must go to advanced Java. Under core Java, what is available? I listed today. So tomorrow, I'll explain bit clearly on day 2. And tomorrow's class is advanced Java, one small architecture showing to the student